Welcome to Quizden. How smart are you? These 50 questions trivia will test your general knowledge. Now let's start. Before starting, please subscribe this channel and get more exciting quizzes. What is the capital of France? Correct, it's B, Paris. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Yes, it is C, Mars. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? That's right, it's B, William Shakespeare. What is the largest ocean on Earth? The answer is C, Pacific. Which country is famous for sushi? Correct answer is B, Japan. What is the currency of the USA? Yes, it is B, dollar. Who discovered gravity? Correct, it's A, Newton. Which gas do plants absorb? That's right, it's C, carbon dioxide. What is H2O commonly known as? The answer is B, water. Which continent is Egypt in? Yes, it is A, Africa. What is the tallest animal? Correct answer is B, giraffe. Which is the smallest prime number? That's right, it's A2. What is the boiling point of water? Correct, it's B, 100 degrees Celsius. Who painted Mona Lisa? The answer is A, Da Vinci. Which sport uses a bat? Yes, it is B, cricket. What is the national animal of India? Correct, it's A, tiger. Which language is spoken in Brazil? That's right, it's C, Portuguese. What is the largest planet? Correct answer is B, Jupiter. Which organ pumps blood? Yes, it is C, heart. Which festival is known as Festival of Lights? Correct, it's B, Diwali. What is 27 minus 50? The answer is C, minus 23. Which bird cannot fly? Correct, it's B, penguin. What is the capital of Japan? Yes, it is B, Tokyo. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? That's right, it's C, mercury. What is the largest continent? Correct answer is B, Asia. Who invented the telephone? Correct, it's A, Bell. What is the square root of 64? The answer is B, 8. Which country hosted the 2016 Olympics? Yes, it is C, Brazil. What is the fastest land animal? Correct, it's B, cheetah. What is the freezing point of water? That's right, it's A, 0 degrees Celsius. Which is the longest river? Correct answer is A, Nile. Who is known as the father of computers? Correct, it's B, Charles Babbage. Which color is in the rainbow? Yes, it is B, indigo. What is Earth's satellite? Correct, it's C, moon. Which country is famous for pizza? That's right, it's B, Italy. What is 96 divided by 6? Correct answer is B, 16. Which is a mammal? Yes, it is C, dolphin. What is the capital of Canada? Correct, it's A, Ottawa. Which is the largest desert? The answer is A, Sahara. What is the main gas in air? Correct, it's B, nitrogen. Who wrote Harry Potter? Yes, it is A, Rowling. Which sport uses a racket? Correct answer is B, tennis. What is 35 times 25? That's right, it's A, 875. Which is the coldest place on Earth? Correct, it's B, Antarctica. Which fruit is yellow? Yes, it is B, banana. What is the capital of Italy? Correct answer is C, Rome. Which is a programming language? That's right, it's A, Python. Which organ helps in breathing? Correct, it's B, lungs. What is minus 100 plus 100? Yes, it is B, 0. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Correct answer is C. Mercury.